Always have a plan B because it will be necessary always.
Stop thinking every time and start executing.
So I think everyone has their own journey. There is no one right answer here.
Is exploring you as an engineer.
Hi, myself Janvi Santhi Silastar.
Hi, my name is Anvesha Pani.
This is Amay Mahajan.
So myself, Naman Chilatri.
My name is Sana Sheikh.
My name is Megha Soni.
My name is Aryan Kumar.
My name is Arun Mathai. I just passed out recently, batch 2024, computer engineering. Turns out the team has some questions for me.
Okay, so Arun, here's our first question for you. How has your experience in the computer engineering department shaped your career?
If I tell you, you won't believe. Before getting admitted here, I didn't knew not even a single language, how the computer works or how the coding क्या होता है ये तक नहीं पता था. From that thing to landing a job as a software developer, I guess इसका पूरा credit comms department को ही जाता है.
The teachers and the course and the subjects that we were having, the hands-on experiences that I got. After that, I got to know what really computer engineering is. Like, you are solving problems through technology, through software, through code, through your fingers. So that really inspired me into doing something for the community, for the people out there who are not engineers but are facing problems that need to be solved by an engineer.
So computer engineering has mostly been on the academic side, but especially HOD sir and Ramya ma'am, Malin ma'am, all the faculties for that matter, right? They already had some sort of industry exposure.
The teachers who have helped me of computer engineering, they have been an excellent support throughout the years. And rejoining the college, coming here, it has been a great experience with the teachers, with the students. Everybody has been they have done a lot of things to just make me push to be a better person and a better professional in this industry.
Second question, what advice would you give to current and future students of the department based on your journey?
So I will say that when you think of something, you should take directly action.
We would say just have fun.
And to pursue whatever your interests are.
So I think everyone has their own journey. There is no one right answer here.
आपको किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है, आपका कॉलिंग क्या है. दिस 4 years are not to just study and do whatever the things that I've been told to do. It is exploring you as an engineer.
I scored 9.77 CGPA. That is the highest of my batch. So I would recommend that don't only do the studies, because studies is something you can do further and later, but the experiences which you will get in life you won't get again. So enjoy your student life as much as possible.
Already, like, opportunity will by default walk to you, and I will say enjoy your college life to the most, because
Only if you execute will you ever be successful, or will you ever get something. You cannot just think and get everything that you want.
Okay, Aryan, so here's our last question. What made you choose this path of starting your own business?
That whenever I used to learn something, I used to apply it as soon as possible. So as soon as I understood that I am getting really good at coding, which was in the first year, then I realized I need to do this for other people, like outside the college, not just in the college, because in the college you are basically restricted by the courses and the projects that you have. I wanted to explore more. So what I did is I went to small business owners and solved their small problems, which was developing their portfolio websites. As soon as I started doing that, I got to know that this is not really a big problem that people face, and my potential was far beyond this thing. So I started my own company in developing tech solutions for people, and we launched India's first microcontroller ID, which was a direct competition to Arduino itself, and we won Maharashtra's biggest startup competition, where Aman Gupta gave us the first prize. So,
One memorable moment or project from your time in the department that had a significant impact on you?
Found my area of interest to be artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I could create a lot of projects. I delved hands-on with so many projects that helped me gain a lot of insight about the career.
Project, I will say, there was a project, it was like a charging EV station where we developed a software via which, everyone knows electric vehicles. So it was like an online electric vehicle booking system, as everyone knows how much time it takes to charge an electric vehicle. So we developed that software, and from my guide, I got an opportunity. She told that her friend works in a similar company and they can recommend our software. But due to some restraints, we couldn't deliver the software. But yeah, it was a great opportunity. Also, I will say the research paper which I published is also a great opportunity. It's also like great opportunity for me.
That's a funny story. Unfortunately, what happened is, like, in most of my projects, there used to be some or the other issue. So what I learned from that is always have an backup. In my final year project, in front of my external, my laptop was not working. So one learning I got from that, to be calm in such situations. Second, always have a backup, always have a plan B, because it will be necessary always in your future.
So my favorite project would be my final year project. It was a speech speech analyzer and an interview track analyzer, and I had done it with Deepak sir, with my 3 really good friends, and it was a great experience, to be honest. For 1 year working on that project, and at the end of the time we used to struggle through the coding and everything. We used to sit at the cafeteria out here on the terrace on the 2nd floor, and we have gone hours and hours and hours doing the project, getting the right things done, getting those reports done. It's crazy, it's really crazy. But again, it's the satisfaction at the end of that project to complete, and when you see that, when your guide approves that, oh my, that is another feeling, I'm telling you. It was a great experience to me. It's very memorable.
Yeah, so it was my 3rd year project. It was named AppSet Community. It was under the guidance of Rahul Ambekar sir. We basically made a portal for all the students, for all the departments to come together, communicate. But we had plans to deploy it in our college, but unfortunately due to some circumstances we couldn't deploy it. But that was the best project which we ever done.
Actually, sir, both IT and comms, and sort of took inputs from faculty. And I always try to build something which actually has an end user goal, right? Let's say you're building a software for college. Let's say you're trying to automate something at scale. This gives you an insight of what real engineering is, what are the sort of complexities you might face, and at the same time have a decent expectation of what have a decent expectation of what is expected from you out in the industry and the quality of software you build. So all 3 years I've built on individual projects. To namely few, as my first year ended, I built this project which could switch off all the labs and remotely access them all together at the same time. By 3rd year, even as my final year project, I built my own containerized solution which would spin up remote desktops on demand. So I had one of my batchmates home work as well. So find a good team, find on projects, and you might not realize the importance it has at that moment, but then if you look back a year or 2 later on, it all sorts of makes sense, and you can really see how it shaped you. So if you keep doing it, you won't feel the difference, but 1 or 2 years later, you'll definitely find the difference.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Arya. Thank you.